Hello shining stars, welcome back to my channel Seraphic Star Life. I hope you all are taking good care of yourself and your loved ones. If you have just stumbled upon my channel, then a warm welcome to you on this flourishing, thriving and abundant channel energy. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel so that you can receive the notifications for upcoming videos. I am Dimple Sharma from the Seraphic Star page, and I love creating videos and talking about the self-healing modalities, tarot, pick a card readings, birthday readings, numerology and Reiki. This is one of the most awaited readings for November 11, as November 11 spiritually, it is an opportunity for us to deepen our spiritual growth, connect with our inner self and reprogram our subconscious mind to align it with our conscious mind. Because remember, it is our conscious mind which is dealing with our goals, desires and our dreams. So it's very important that we cleanse our energy on such an highly energetic day and align our subconscious mind with the conscious mind. To make the most of this getaway 11/11, make sure you do visualization meditation of what is it that you really want to manifest in this upcoming year. Write down your goals and desires with an action plan, because remember, it is action that create things. If you wish, you can also meditate with the crystals. Choose the pack of cards, and depending upon your pack of cards, I have recommended the crystals that you can use for the meditation in the upcoming days. The video is created with the highest intentions to provide insight into what blessings, messages coming for you in the upcoming days, what you need to focus on, what you need to release, and the guidance from your fairies and angels. As you can see, I have laid out the 3 pack of cards here. Focus on them. If you wish, then please pause the video, meditate upon the pack of cards, the heart, the moon and the star. Or you can also think of a situation for which you need to hear the divine guidance, clarity and blessings through the medium of the cards that you choose for yourself. So enjoy the reading. Please do remember, this is a general reading and you may not resonate with everything that I share here. So whatever guidance resonates with you, be receptive to it and take it with you. In the description box below, I have mentioned the timestamps for each of the groups. You can click on the given timestamp and directly go to your chosen group reading. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, like and comment on the video. Hello and welcome if you have chosen the abundance pack of cards for yourself or the heart. So here are the cards for you, and these 2 cards here represent what you can expect to see in the coming days, specifically nearby the new moon, which is on 14th November. So having this card here shows me that there is a lot of confidence coming in abundance in your life, and this confidence is what is going to take you to the roads of success. I do see new projects coming your way, new beginnings coming your way, but you need to step in your power to show what you got, what your talents are. This card is a reminder to you that you need to be proud of yourself and feel worthy of having abundance in all areas of your life. Also, what I'm seeing at this point of time is that you really need to meditate this new moon, or if you can, then meditate on November 11. Write down your goals and desires that you really want to manifest in your life, because your intuition is very high and you are connected with the divine energies at this point of time. The another message that I'm receiving is that please do not share your projects, your new business plans that you're working on with others if you're really not sure whether you can trust them or not. So keep your strategies, your plans safe with yourself. Now another thing is that please make sure that if you are about to make any decisions, make sure that you make a careful consideration. And it looks like to me that you do not have all the information in respect to this particular situation or the decision that you are about to make. So make sure that you wait for the right time to make the decision. Now, what is it that you need to focus on? You need to focus on your emotional balance. This new moon, the angels want you to focus on your daily thoughts, because your thoughts create your emotions. It is time for you to focus on creating more peace, balance within. And as you will start, maintaining peace and balance within, you will see that soon it will start reflecting in your outer world too. do look for the signs from the universe, because I am sure that you will notice or you can see a rainbow, birds, and specifically two birds together. So start feeding them if they give you a visit and see how your energy changes. This is also a card of heart chakra, so make sure you do meditate on your heart chakra, spend some time in nature, surround yourself with green color or the pink color. As you start focusing on filling yourself with peace, balance, and harmony, as a result, everything else will harmoniously fall in place. Also, remember, you can only give others when your cup is full. So start filling yourself with right emotions, which begins with the right thinking. If you want, you can meditate with the rose quartz, because rose quartz is an amazing crystal when it comes to healing the heart chakra. Now, what is it that you need to release this new moon? So we have these two cards here, that what is it that you need to release. And I'm feeling that a lot of you are feeling stuck or just being stubborn in a particular situation. So you need to release this stubbornness, and if something isn't moving forward, then take an action to break this deadlock. I feel a lot of you are also giving too much, because that is why we have this card here of emotional balance. That is why you need to really bring a balance within yourself. So it could be anything. That could be you are giving way too much in your relationships or at a workplace. So make sure you maintain a good balance in the ratio of the giving and taking. So make sure it's not you who is always at the giving end, because that is how we then feel stressed, anxious. So like I said here, work with your heart chakra. Again, the message that I see here is that your intuition is very high right now. So release all your doubts and trust what your intuition is guiding you. Your intuition is guiding you towards the right path at this point of time. Now, the message from the fairies. Such a beautiful card, fairy spotting. So I think definitely you are surrounded with the divine energies, and it's time for you to really look for the signs. Like I said before, look for the signs. Universe has its own ways of communication with us. So you need to believe it. You need to believe it to see it. Not believing in anything is also a belief. You choose abundance for yourself, believe it. It's already there in your life, and see how each day start feeling abundant in your life. Please do make some time to spend some time in nature or doing gardening. It will help you release the stress, anxiety, and make you much more calmer and balanced. Well, that's all that I have for you. I hope you like the guidance. Make sure you make time for meditation on November 11th and make the most of the divine energies. If you want, you can chant, I am balanced, peaceful, and I share my love light easily and freely with others. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you soon in another video. Hello and welcome. If you have chosen the opportunity card for yourself or the moon, here are the cards for you. These two cards here are what you can expect in the upcoming days nearby the new moon, which is on 14th November. I think you have just chosen the right path for yourself, because this new moon, I am seeing a lot of opportunities coming your way. The delays will be over now. Whatever toxic situation had been there in your life is going to be cleared. It is a time for you to start planning and taking action. Remember, like I always say, it is action that creates things. So start planning your actions and take it one by one. Do not let this opportunity slip by your hands and make your decision. Do not overthink, as it is only going to create more confusion for you. So trust your intuition. Yes. So now coming to this card here, what you need to focus on, and it is also saying it's your intuition that you really need to trust. I feel you all are feeling confused and doubtful. No wonder why we have this card here, because there are going to be too many options around you and you may feel confused seeing too many options, but you have to make the right choice by trusting your intuition. We all have intuition, it's just we do not trust it. So start now. Breathe, listen, trust, follow, and let your intuition empower your life. Remember, your true power comes as you move within the quiet stillness of your inner knowing. It's because, the screaming demands of our life don't let us listen to our higher self, because the ego comes in between, because in everything we look for logic and reasons, whereas intuition speaks to us in silence, when we are still, when we focus on the most precious gift of nature, which is our breaths. So what you can do to enhance your intuition is you can eat foods like beetroots, blueberries, cabbage and nuts. Also, you can use white and indigo color. Meditate with clear quartz, lapis lazuli or amethyst crystals to enhance your intuition, and you can also use these crystals to manifest your goals and desires. Now, these two cards here are that what you need to release this new moon, and I think the card in itself is very clear that it's time for you to release the procrastination, laziness, and start taking action. For sure, I'm seeing wonderful time full of opportunities coming your way. So don't just sit back over analyzing the opportunities or the situation. Just grab them and make the most of them. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begin with the first step. So it is time for you to get things in order. If you feel the situation is out of hand, then take it in your control. It's time for you to embrace your leadership skills. It's time for you to embrace the confidence within you. Now, the message that is coming from your fairies is the transformation. Wow. So this group has, really has some major changes coming in your life. Look around, look for the signs from fairies. They are all around you. You might see a butterfly. This is a time, for you to transform yourself. I understand changes at times are challenging, but trust me, these changes are happening for your highest and greatest good. So just let go, surrender, and let this transformation happen, because the changes are going to be even more amazing than you expected. Well, that's all that I have for you now. I hope you like the guidance. Make sure you make time for meditation on November 11th. Also, chant, I am open to accept my intuition and wisdom. Thank you so much for watching the video, and see you soon in another video. Hello and welcome. If you have chosen the success pack of cards for yourself or the star, here are the cards for you. So these two cards here are what you can expect to see in the upcoming days nearby the new moon, which is on 14th of November. Well, I guess you have just picked the right cards for you, as I see that this group is going to get closure to something very important in your life. And for most of you, this could be about a relationship. I do see some kind of ending. If it is so, then it is just happening at the right time. So do not worry, or do not try to fight or cry over this end, as this card means letting go and focus on yourself, because I do see a lot of good things coming into your life. For some of you, I also see this as a beginning of a new relationship, or taking the existing relationship to a next level of commitment. Three of Summer do confirm it here that there for other areas of your life too, I see you getting results in your favor. Something exciting is coming towards this group, but make sure to keep a balance in your life and focus on your well-being. Also, at the same time, I'm seeing a lot of creativity flowing in your thoughts, in your plans at this point of time. So make the most of it and implement your plans that you have for your work, job, business. So use this creativity. Now, what is it that you need to focus on? Like I said earlier, you need to focus on yourself and your thought process. It is time for you to open your heart and mind, to remember that you are part of a great divine creation. You believe it or not, but you are currently supported and guided by an infinite power, by seen or unseen forces of light. This card is an awakening call for you to use this time for self-reflection and be grateful for all the blessings that are coming in your life. I feel some of you could also be experiencing insomnia, headaches, or could even feel anxious thinking about what's in the future going to happen. Also, please do avoid overeating out of anxiety. Try to meditate with amethyst, rhodonite, or use more of violet, white, or gold colors in order to release the anxiety and feel a connection with the divine energies. Now, these two cards here talk about what is it that you need to release and what is it that you need to release is indiscipline. Yes, you need to create more discipline, more balanced routine in your life. And remember, self-discipline begins with the mastery of your thoughts. If you don't control what you think, then you can't control what you do. So write your goals and plan of action to achieve those goals. Make a vision board so that your goals keep motivating you. I also feel whatever delays had been there will be released, especially if there has been any travel delays. I do see it happening now. Expect certain positive changes, as I feel you are going to receive new professional projects or work very soon. Now the message from your fairies. Beautiful fairy motivation. So your fairies are there to motivate you. If there is anything you have been thinking of doing, then just get going, because this is a time for you to rise and shine. If you're feeling demotivated, then it is an invitation from fairies to bring some fresh flowers in your home, in your life, or spend some time near the flower plants. Talk to them and be open to receive the guidance and blessings from them. Be aware, as you will definitely get the signs from your fairies in one or the other ways in the upcoming weeks. Well, that's all that I have for you. I hope you like the guidance. Make sure that you make time for meditation on November 11th. Chant, I am blissful and connected with the divine energies. I hope you would come back for the more pick a card readings. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you soon in another video. Once again, thanking everyone who has given time to watch this video. Please do not forget to hit the like button, share it with your friends, and comment below if you resonate with the guidance. If you wish to take a personal tarot card reading, then you can connect me through my Instagram or Facebook account, for which the links have been given in the description of this video. Thank you so much, and see you soon in another video.